Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change currency on your Binance account using the Binance mobile application. Whether you're looking to switch your display currency or update your transaction settings, we've got you covered, so let's dive in. First of all, open up the Binance application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. This will now open up your profile, where you'll need to tap on the gear button at the top right. This will open up settings, where you'll need to tap on currency. This will open up a list of available options. Select your preferred currency from the list. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your currency changed. After changing the currency from the General tab, you will be able to see the currency changed immediately. Changing the currency may affect how fees and balances are displayed. You can now return to the main home page, and that's it. You've successfully changed the currency on your Binance account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.